Hello, everyone. Andrea Paul here, and today we're exploring Quietum Plus, a health supplement gaining popularity. If you're seeking a natural way to support your ear health and boost your well-being, this could be the product for you. Before purchasing, though, there are some key points to consider. Let's jump in. First, let's discuss where to buy Quietum Plus. It's essential to purchase it from the official website to avoid counterfeit products that may be ineffective or harmful. Buying from the official source ensures you receive the genuine product, often with special promotions and a refund policy for added peace of mind. Now, let's go over the benefits of Quietum Plus. This supplement is crafted to support ear health with a unique blend of natural ingredients. Here are some key advantages. Supports hearing health. Quietum Plus helps enhance hearing, improving your quality of life. Reduces tinnitus. Many users report a noticeable decrease in ringing or buzzing in the ears. Boosts brain health. The formula includes ingredients that support cognitive function. Natural ingredients. Made with all natural vitamins and herbal extracts, it's safe for daily use. Enhances relaxation. Quietum Plus helps reduce stress and promotes relaxation. Using Quietum Plus is simple. Just take the recommended dosage, typically 2 capsules a day with a meal. Consistency is key for optimal results. Many users have shared positive experiences, noting significant improvements in hearing and reductions in tinnitus symptoms after regular use. While results can vary, the overall feedback suggests this supplement can truly benefit ear health. If you're ready to enhance your ear health and overall well-being, I highly recommend trying Quietum Plus. Just be sure to buy it from the official website. The link is in the description below. Plus, with a money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and product reviews. See you next time.